Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best Rhinestone Applicator is probably one of the most versatile tools for crafters and DIY enthusiasts. It allows you to effortlessly add dazzling sparkle to your projects, from clothing and accessories to home decor items. With its precision and ease of use, you can transform ordinary items into extraordinary creations. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, this tool is a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their designs. Number 5. Worthofbest Hotfix Rhinestone Setter Kit. Introducing a fantastic kit for all your bedazzling needs. This tool allows you to easily add sparkle and shine to your clothes and crafts, letting you create dazzling designs whenever inspiration strikes. This kit is perfect for various fabrics like denim, leather, and clothing. You can easily customize your t-shirts, jeans, or even shoes. It's a quick way to add some bling. The kit comes with everything you need to get started. It includes a Hotfix pen, multiple applicator tips, rhinestones in various colors and sizes, plus helpful tools like tweezers and a wax picker. Designed for ease of use, this kit is perfect for beginners. With the included color manual, how-to videos, and 24/7 support, you'll be creating stunning designs in no time. This applicator kit is designed to give you professional-looking results. Whether you're a crafter, designer, or DIY enthusiast, it's a valuable tool to elevate your projects. What we like. This kit is a complete package, including everything you need to get started. It's designed for ease of use, with a color manual and how-to videos to guide you. If you're a beginner or someone who wants professional-looking results without a steep learning curve, you should consider this one. What people say. The kit comes with everything you need: a reliable Hotfix applicator wand, multiple tips for different gem sizes, and a generous selection of 5,000 rhinestones in AB crystal and clear. The applicator heats up quickly and is easy to handle, making it simple to attach rhinestones to clothing, fabric, and crafts. The variety of rhinestone sizes is great for creating detailed designs or bold accents. Number 4. DIY Hotfix Rhinestone Applicator Wand Setter Toolkit. This DIY Hotfix Rhinestone Applicator is perfect for adding dazzling rhinestones to your clothes, bags, and more. It works on various materials that can absorb the adhesive when melted. It's a great way to personalize your belongings. The applicator has an on-off switch with an LED indicator and a comfortable grip. It heats up quickly and comes with a safety stand. The long cord gives you plenty of room to work. This kit includes 7 different applicator tips for various rhinestone sizes. You can easily select the right tip for your project. This allows you to create diverse and intricate designs. Using the included pencil picker and tweezers, place the rhinestones where you want them. After heating up the applicator, press it against the crystal for about 15 seconds. The cleaning brush helps maintain the tips. The kit comes with 2 boxes of Hotfix rhinestones in mixed sizes and colors. Make sure the rhinestones you use are Hotfix style with glue on the back. This ensures they will adhere properly. The kit includes the Hotfix applicator, 7 tips, 2 rhinestone pickers, a support stand, tweezers, a cleaning brush, rhinestones, a plastic box, and a nylon carry sleeve. Everything you need is right here. What we like. This applicator comes with 7 different tip sizes, offering versatility for various rhinestone projects. It also includes 2 boxes of Hotfix rhinestones, so you can start creating right away. If you're looking for a kit with a wide range of options and a comfortable design, this is the one for you. What people say. Made multiple visors with it and not a single problem. To pick up the gems and place them where you want it. The stones do stay adhered to fabric. Number 3. Milky Way Rhinestone Setter Applicator Wand Tool Kit. Want to add some sparkle to your items? This applicator makes it simple and easy to add Hotfix rhinestones to a variety of fabrics and items. It's a great way to personalize your belongings. This rhinestone setter is versatile. You can use it to instantly apply rhinestones to various surfaces like cotton and denim. It's perfect for a wide range of DIY projects. Making your items more beautiful with rhinestones is a breeze. Just heat special Hotfix rhinestones with the applicator tip. You can use it on t-shirts, purses, shoes, and more. The set includes the wand, a support stand, and 7 Hotfix tips. The wand has a lighted on-off switch and a comfortable ergonomic handle. The stand protects your work surfaces. If you are unhappy with your purchase, reach out to us for a refund or replacement. We are here to help you with any issues you may have. What we like. This rhinestone setter is incredibly easy to use, making it perfect for beginners. It's versatile and can be used on various fabrics like cotton and denim. If you like adding sparkle to your everyday items with ease, you should consider this one. What people say. The applicator heats up fast and works great with various sizes of Hotfix rhinestones. It even comes with different tips so you can switch them out depending on the size you're using. The tip is concave so it fits right on top of the crystal and heats up entire item. Number 2. Allber 7-in-1 Hotfix Rhinestone Applicator Tool Kit. This is the Allber Hotfix Applicator Kit. It's a complete set for all your rhinestone application needs. It includes everything you need to get started on your DIY projects. The kit includes a Hotfix applicator wand, 7 Hotfix tips, rhinestone pencils, tweezers, a cleaning brush, a stand, and 500 AB crystal rhinestones. You'll have everything you need to create stunning designs. The applicator is small and easy to carry. It plugs directly into electricity and has a comfortable grip. It also features a lighted on-off switch and an extra long cord. It's energy-saving and works with high and low voltage. The kit comes with 7 interchangeable Hotfix tips. These tips allow you to apply rhinestones of various sizes. They are easy to change and provide versatility for your projects. The rhinestone pencils and tweezers are perfect for picking up and placing rhinestones. The cleaning brush helps to remove glue from the tips. These accessories make the application process easier and more precise. The Allber Rhinestone Setter can be used on almost any surface. Use it to embellish hats, purses, shirts, and more. It's a great helper for all your DIY creations. What we like. This kit includes 7 different tips, allowing for a variety of rhinestone sizes. It also comes with AB crystal rhinestones for added sparkle. If you need a portable and versatile tool for your DIY projects, this is the one for you. What people say. The applicator heats up quickly. It comes with several different tips to accommodate different size rhinestones. The on-off switch is easy to use. Number 1. Hotfix Rhinestone Applicator 7-in-1 Purple. This is a versatile tool designed for both beginners and professionals. It's perfect for adding sparkle to your DIY projects. The device features a simple switch and a power indicator light. It heats up quickly, ready to use in just 2 minutes. The heat pipe is mostly hidden within the plastic casing, ensuring safe handling during use. You can focus on your creativity without worry. This applicator works on a variety of fabrics and surfaces. It's a great helper for all your DIY creations. No charging is needed, simply plug it in and start using it. It's ready to go whenever inspiration strikes. What we like. This rhinestone setter is perfect for beginners, with a simple design and quick preheating time. It can be used on a wide range of fabrics, making it a versatile choice. If you're new to rhinestone application and want a user-friendly tool, this is the one for you. What people say. Best tool to use for dance costume bead application. Quick and easy. Works great. Heats up really well. Melts acrylic great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.